Spice that bitch up.
Say she in love with me, but say you love, I just want your company. I fall in the club for free. I give out daps and them husband the ones for me. Cause that type of shit don't phase a player. This type of shit is what make a
I'm the best right now. Believe it. I go vouch for that. I go bet money on that.
It's brother Too Funny and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing two.
What do what? Pop the YouTube! It's brother Too Funny and I'm back and I got a special guest.
His official name.
Girl, you can say that. Nate the Queen.
Official name. Not the Queen. That's so old.
And my Instagram, make sure you go follow me, __ Juggle Too Funny.
Go follow me at official.name with 2 Y's and with an X. It's gonna be right here.
And you go edit that.
Okay, so y'all, let's show y'all what candy we got.
Hey,
Oh, it was good, Hollywood. Come on.
man. Okay, so first we are
Peanut head ass, stupid duck face.
Peach gummy rings.
Peach Gummy Ring. I ain't gonna lie, these good like a mother, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all go cop these 2 for $1. They is.
Alright,
First item.
next we have, I'm so excited to eat these. We have these SpongeBob Krabby Patties.
Oh, Krabby Patty. Man, I bet you plankton with it. So next, we have some freezing cold. Freezing extra.
You being extra. This
Polar
ain't
ice gum.
Extra gum, y'all.
Thank you very much.
Next,
Yeah.
we have watermelon gummy rings. Put it back in.
No.
Next, we have watermelon gummy rings.
Girl, if you don't get your goddamn so they won't see the water bottle. Egg lad, bitch, you egg lad, boy. Stinky butt from the egg lad, mustard.
Next, we have a watermelon gummy rings.
Do my bust. Next, we have Airhead Extreme. In my head go woo.
Next, we have these big bar airheads.
Big boy Airheads.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Cop them in they new man.
Strawberry and watermelon.
Strawberry and watermelon combination. You already know what it is, man. I eat that in my sleep.
Yeah. What you doing?
I'm doing extra.
Alright, so
Better hold
what you
on.
want to dig in first?
Go, you know, I got
Dumb.
No, we saving that for last.
Alright, so I'm finna dig in.
No, nigga, we gotta say that for second last. She don't even know what to do. We gotta do
we
these.
could do different stuff.
Alright, that's it.
I'm digging into these. I've been ready to eat these.
I'm eating these.
What is it called?
Girl, I know you ain't just trying to catch me slipping with your little egg lad. Thought I ain't know how to read. Get your little stupid dick ass on.
Hold on. Let me show y'all something very special. That she can't do. She can only flip them patties like SpongeBob.
I'm over. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. Look at it. Ooh, I did drop the one, but it's okay. So, y'all, this package. Let's open it. How you open it?
I'm finished for a minute.
Alright. Let's open it in this.
Wait.
Ooh, y'all, these so good. Oh my god, I love these
Oh,
things.
that's too much.
And I haven't had them in a while.
Me
So
neither.
let's eat.
Alright, we don't know.
I normally eat them one by one, but I'm not. Cause they got their separate pieces, y'all.
You can make it
if y'all never had these.
Hey, Slate, I'm a little top, yeah, man.
They got the
I'm
patty.
fuck that newborn in the stomach. I'm a little top, yeah, man.
They got the patty.
This
We
the
got
chicken, though.
I don't know if this is a pickle. I never knew if this was a pickle or a salad,
Let me
but
see.
I always think it's a salad.
So purple.
Salad. And then we got the meat, and then we got the bottom.
I need top, yeah, man. Fuck anybody.
Well, it don't taste like it.
Hey, Slate, I'm finna eat my rings. Look. Ooh.
Boy, get your wannabe young boy on there, boy. That gay ass boy. Oh my god, I know you ain't just sucked that. Look, gay ass boy. Pineapple fruity looty tooter. Look at you over there eating that burger, dog shit, that girl.
So Sorry for the turn. Okay.
Hello, buddy. Okay, so y'all, let me get back to eating my
I'm lit
Krabby
top.
Patty.
Only got 4 left.
Alright, bye.
Hey. So good. Wanna eat my middle finger?
No. Couldn't give one. Just mouth.
Y'all, like, I had went into class today, right? On live.
I'm just cooking.
So then, it was the teacher, right? She was like, it was the dude who had his mic on. He was like, I don't know, there was a lot of noise in the background. I don't know what they were doing, but I heard a lot of clapping. And so then, I turned on my sister dared me to say, what's down? What's down? She, thank you, Jordan.
That is so good.
And I say, I'm lit top. And she said, oh.
No, you did not say that.
Yes, I did. Only top.
Yeah, he did not say that. But that was good. I'm Krabby Patty.
Hold on.
I'm finna try the Airhead Extreme.
Put it up there. Okay. Where my Krabby Patty?
Oh, you want to try it? I'm finna try the Airhead Extreme, y'all.
We could have went to the store and got more, but somebody didn't want to.
Y'all, this is enough candy. Right?
No.
So
You open it
all
for
of
me?
these, y'all. Look,
My
it's
ring.
candy.
He opened it.
How do you know? So much easier using your feet.
I'm lit top. Fuck the youngin. That newborn in the stomach. Ooh.
Alright, y'all.
All mine stuck together. What you gonna do with the big fat butt?
Smells so good.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. What you gonna let tongue do?
I'm so good.
Okay, last one y'all go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is kind of hard.
Alright, so y'all, how was y'all day today? I was good. Okay, good. We got done with school.
Yeah, mine was great actually. I had got 100, you know. The usual.
Now you know you're lying. I'm finna go
Bitches be
with
hanging
my
on me.
daddy.
Bitches be bonkers. No, I don't care. Bitches be bonkers.
I'm finna go with my daddy. It's Friday, y'all.
Whoa.
So yeah. I'm ready to go to get Cuddy.
Whoa.
And I'm finna get my Airhead box.
Whoa.
Let's open this, y'all. Y'all, this was supposed to be a whole different, like, separate channel. We supposed to do this on my mama channel, but she didn't feel like
We don't
doing
care.
it. She didn't feel like doing it. So
Don't care.
yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
Over here. Seems like how to open this.
I'm the top.
You're not getting no piece of mine.
Oh, oh. You open this one.
Ooh, jeez, y'all.
I love it when her neck goes.
There's a watermelon gummy rings, y'all.
You know I got a hell on all those rings you heard. Man, I got 20,000 on each finger. And if a nigga got a problem with me, I'm the top.
Period. Period. Y'all, this so good.
It's like a donut hole. You can.
What's up?
Okay, so look, y'all. Okay, we went to the store, right? I was just walking down the aisle, just let she look at me going. I knew it was a Karen from the jump when I seen her. She gone. So I jump up like, ooh! Cause I knew she said something in the head. Ooh! I jump up and I drop kicked her straight in her mouth. Don't ever lie on me and don't say I didn't. Cause you know I did. And you was right there too and you were like, oh my God.
He did not believe the lie.
So I didn't.
Or you didn't. Alright, sugar.
Oh my God, it's long.
You is nasty.
Not like that. Okay. Woman on X pills.
Yeah, that's good. It's not the best, but it's good. I like the peach ones better.
Okay, now it's time to open the gum, but I want to open my big fat bar. Area bar.
Alright. I want some more of these, what's the name? Krabby Patties. Oh, I was gonna say.
You know that.
Let's open this. Freaking, what's the name?
I got it on me.
Oh, let's see who can make the big bubble, the biggest bubble.
Duh, obviously me.
Mm.
Can you put 2 in 1? Like blow one, then put another one inside of that one?
No.
No, okay then.
Okay, that don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. So yeah, we got all these gums. Hold on, let me take that thing out. Put all these gums out.
But that could have been my cigarette pack, yo, G.
Boy, do not smoke cigarettes, y'all.
I tolerate it. Come on, man.
No, we do not tolerate
I'm
it.
the top. You hear me?
Alright, y'all, we got all of these gums. Why did I do that?
You're nasty.
Oh, this dropped some. Some just dropped.
What is that supposed to mean? All of them gums like that. Okay, I'm popping sugar right after this video. Get what? Oh, this thing moving around. Trying to run for me like a little snake.
Well, that boy gay for real. He like that in his mouth, huh? Oh my God. Oh, he's sticking it down this mother nasty gay ass boy. I ain't even gonna cop, boy. You. That's a shame. Both the y'all niggas. Gay!
That's a dumb thumbnail. What's the best did it? That was all the stuff we got with him.
Okay. Okay. Don't eat the gum yet.
My bad. Put it in there.
Ah, that hurt my teeth.
I'm gonna eat another Krabby Patty, y'all.
Look hard.
They're good.
Okay. I'm gonna put these rings.
Let's make a big stack. Gotta get all these gums away.
What's the smallest thing? Ooh, what's your air? Dang it.
Gums?
My
Sit
ring fell.
down. That's what you get. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna put all of these. Yeah. Ooh, let's make a, I'm gonna make a big old, okay. I'm gonna open them up.
Just be fat these days. I swear to God, that girl said she's gonna make a big ass fat ass little patty, man.
And then I'm gonna see if I can eat that. Then I get that Krabby Patty.
And I'm finna do this.
Thought you was safe, old little fat ass boy, sticking all that candy down your mouth. Oh my God, he gay.
A little bit for y'all because
I'm lit. Hot.
y'all can barely see us. Barely.
That look to be one. Yeah.
Barely. Alright. Then we're gonna go salad. Patty.
Okay, I'm gonna need a Krabby Patty.
Oh, I'm gonna need this.
I'm gonna lie, y'all. That watermelon kind of nasty.
Patty.
Peach kind of really bomb.
Oh yeah, the peach is up. I'm about to say, I don't really like it.
Let me get a Krabby Patty. You open to. You. Hey, get what? I'm gonna be dropping bed bangers. Y'all know they top, yeah, man. He dropped the
Boy, for real. Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen eating a bowl of goddamn food. Stop licking your motherfucking fingers, lick your ass, boy.
There you go. Barley.
Thank you so much.
Barley. Come on now. Stop it like that. How you do not want to come out.
Okay. Okay. Don't be doing too much with my curly patty.
I didn't really have to open it for you.
But guess what you did?
I didn't have to.
But guess what?
You know, I'm trying to make a big Krabby
Look,
Patty
Nana.
for y'all.
Look at this.
But these things hard to open.
This is gonna be so good.
Big, so much, yeah. Mom, come out. Alright.
Alright, one. So much sugar.
Y'all, this is how big I could get that Krabby Patty. And now let's try to take a bite. Y'all, this is big. If y'all can see. Let's just 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I want to take a bite. It fell in my mouth. I want to take a bite.
You can't.
Like a real burger. Yes, I can.
Only if it was wider. I just thought it was a great idea.
Alright, I'm finna try, y'all. It's not letting me, but
Take a bite out of this at the end.
that was too much.
Take a bite out of this at the end.
That's in my mouth.
Like a cake.
Alright,
Just a candy. I know y'all. Y'all probably want some candy too.
go get some. Okay.
Who is she
Tell your mama to get some food stamps.
This no. This is the cash. My cash. My cash.
Alright. Take it back.
Oh my god, not that big. Yo, just of that. With the burger. What the heck? You made the burger thing drop. I'll get this burger. Here. Oh. Bruh.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of sugar and tobacco. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
It's good.
That ain't really is good though. Alright.
Y'all, this is on the floor.
We're gonna have to clean all this stuff. But guess what? I haven't tried the gum yet, so
What is that? I was down with him.
and y'all, that little airhead thing over there. Kick.
We got one around in my front too, because my teeth coming out. That's them.
It's nasty. Make sure the tooth fairy come and get it.
Alright.
They gave fruity in the booty and nigga had his hands like that. Oh my god.
Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok. Just to want to watch me.
Me too. A famous person just like my
Overexcited little egg line. That handshake was beyond me looking at.
Yeah, the guy in the comment. Ha!
You lame.
I couldn't laugh.
Damn, Jojo, what you choking on there, buddy? Oh my god, damn! I slapped my back there hard.
What happened? You okay? Let me see.
You okay? She trying to choke a nigga, man.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, come on, gum challenge.
I didn't even done.
I thought you already had a gum in your mouth.
I had them on all this candy. Alright.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm really fly. Eat it up just like I'm high. Y'all know that new challenge that's going around on TikTok?
Slow mo.
Ain't no other.
I got two in my mouth.
Oh, you got two.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
How many you got?
I'm on 3.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny. I'm on 4. What you on?
Chubby bunny 4.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny 5.
Chubby bunny 5.
Shit.
Chubby
Chubby
bunny
bunny.
6.
Oh, this is fat.
Chubby bunny 8.
7. Chubby bunny.
Wait, yeah,
Chubby
7.
bunny.
8. Oh my god.
Chubby. Oh. Chubby bunny 9.
There's on 9.
9.
Oh. Chubby bunny 10. Oh my god. Mama.
Chubby bunny 10.
Ooh. Say time to do your challenge. Chubby bunny 11.
Chubby bunny 12. No, Chubby bunny 11. Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny 12.
Chubby bunny 12. Chubby bunny 12. Ooh.
Chubby bunny 13. You got 2.
Chubby bunny 13.
Chubby bunny 14.
12. 13.
I'm on 14.
14. I'm done. I can't do it, man.
I got. I'm your winner! You stink! Get out of here! Get out of my YouTube video!
Shut up.
I
Y'all,
got
look
fair.
at all that gum up.
Girl, I'm really the winner. You can really get off my YouTube channel. You stink. You suck. And I wasn't really scared. Get your nasty ass on. Yes.
I'm gonna try to do it over too. But I can't do it. I'm gonna bite it. Ew. I know that was nasty. It's more than 12. I'm gonna hit you. It's all around candy. Cover your mouth, you nasty.
You gotta do the biggest burger challenge with them.
The biggest bubble challenge?
Okay, here you go.
Sorry, bad. We have to tell me the picture. Sorry, it's not the right angle.
You can't. I was just looking up. Oh, look, gummies up.
I got like, probably about like
Are you
I
that
got
stupid,
15.
huh, nigga? It was 16.
y'all.
Get it right.
Y'all make sure y'all go do that. Who can fit the most gum in their mouth challenge? And now we finna do the hookah blow this biggest bubble challenge. Oh, that hurt my jaw. Yeah, we back. Yeah.
How many got in your mouth?
Be bunny. She thinks she's gonna win by doing that. I'm not even fully chewed, and look.
Look at what? Nothing.
I just what? They call me like they got one of that bad, and I give me some cash.
No.
Okay, I'm almost done, bro.
I've been doing
Chill out, bro.
I'm finna massage it with my hands.
But this ain't no slime.
Cause
I'm almost done.
and I can't chew it cause my teeth. So
Don't care about your teeth. You better make it work.
shut up. Oh.
Get out my mouth.
Hey y'all, I'm trying to do this.
Okay. One. You ready? It's too much noise.
First try.
She lame. Okay.
I know you ain't just hit me in my face.
Who you
I'm
ill?
just playing. Y'all, you're not taking me serious.
Take us in. It's not like.
This stuff is not blowing.
Exactly. Who are you?
It's not blowing.
Y'all. Okay. You ready? Stop playing with it like slime. Look at that. Look at that. Come on,
That's
look
not
at
the biggest bubble.
Okay. It's bigger than yours right now. This gum is too moist. I think I need one more.
You can't do that. So you go in the gum bag. There, you blew here. You put yours in here too?
So what? Letting that fat girl, you don't need to be eating that candy anyway. You were just already eating it. So what if I put mine up in there? You put yours up in there too. That fight me.
Alright.
I did it.
Cause I can't really do it cause my teeth. I know y'all probably think it's his kids when I first saw my teeth. Alright. Y'all in the see. I see what the teeth.
Okay, look. I got gum in my mouth, right?
Okay, shut up.
Bro, you're nasty. We don't want to see that. Well, egg lie, bro.
Tell y'all. I'm not supposed to eat this candy, but
I'm running with that gang, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
I'm gonna whoop it.
Bro, what me with that big old bar? Alright,
It's a belt.
That ain't no belt. You know what I can do with this? Let me see.
It's mine. Get yours.
My heart too.
Well, you put all that stuff on you. And it is gone.
That's it too.
No! Give me my stuff. Why would you do that?
You take a bite of mine.
Because you told me to. I didn't even ask.
You told me to.
No, I didn't. I'm not even gonna argue with you. Baby,
Don't got time to argue with you neither, baby.
that's good. Cut out this video. This is. I'm ending it.
I'ma please tell me how I'ma be nice with this Damon right here. She is crazy and I'm editing it right now, so yeah.
I'm not. Okay. So, y'all. I can do it. He kind of did this. Weird stuff, but I can do it better. Yes, it is. I can do it better than you.
There's no such thing as better.
Well, today is gonna be a such thing.
There's no such thing as better. Not just me, no. You trying to be better than me? Don't do that. Don't
I'm
do
not
that.
trying. Cause I already am. No
And
need
what?
to try.
And what?
No need to try.
And TikTok?
Everything. Oh yeah, that too, but it's more stuff to it. You know, I got talent.
She said she got talent.
Okay.
I'm dying, bro. Where?
Gifted and talented. No, she wouldn't. My mom would never do that.
Do you know your mom?
Yes, I know her name is Latoya. Wow.
Hey, hey,
Oh,
if y'all get this to 5 or 10 likes, I'ma tell y'all my mama middle name.
I'ma whoop him and I'ma record it too. And then that's
She put her hands on me, I'ma sue her. I'ma press charges.
I already did before.
Dang, where are these notifications coming from? YouTube, stop.
That was TikTok.
TikTok, I don't want to see you.
Ooh, don't go follow him.
Don't go follow you.
Go follow me. I make good TikToks. Period.
She couldn't even do it when I was doing earlier.
Because I could do it, but I didn't.
Do it right now, come on.
I
Come on.
really feel like doing it. How would I? You couldn't do it either.
Yes, I could.
No, you said I could too. Alright, yeah.
I'm doing it right now.
Anyway, y'all, this is what I didn't make it a masterpiece. A masterpiece.
Boom.
Look. Get it. Let's go.
Okay, y'all. Stop. Chubby Bunny. Say Chubby Bunny.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay, y'all. That gonna conclude today's video. And on
Smoking on the best right now. Believe it. I go vouch for that. I got big money on it. They will call money. I ain't lying. My mom said I did it on up. Stop playing with me. Yeah. He get caught playing games. Receive that fine.